morning. So, I finally got an apartment dito sa Melbourne. So, yan yung door ko. And pagpasok mo, it's already the kitchen. So, when I came here, ayan, meron na silang microwave. Luma na siya actually, but it's still working. Refrigerator. Hindi na nga masyado mataas yung energy rating niya. So, that means sobrang luma na siguro nito talaga. And as you can see, yung color niya, nag-yellow na. So, ayan. Medyo magulo. Daming food. Most of the houses here in Australia have this washer. Pero yung akin wala. Which I don't mind naman kasi hindi naman ako marunong gumamit ng dishwasher. So, but they do have oven. And this one is working. They do have gas range. Tapos, ito, I bought this. Then, the rice cooker I bought. Pero most of the pans and pots are already from here. So, hindi na rin ako kailangan bumili ng mga pots and pans. Even this one, dito na siya. Ang binili ko na lang was this pot holder. Yan, ito rin. Ako na rin nagbili nito from Daiso. This one is from Stella. Hi, Stella. This one I got from Daiso din. So, medyo maliit lang talaga siya. Meron na din silang mga plates and cutleries. Meron pa silang wine glass. As you can see, may mga plates na sila. May mga glasses if you want some wine or anything. Then, ito, kinlear ko na lang yung baba. Actually, meron na rin silang mugs. Yung mug sa taas sa kanila yan. And then, the rest is mine. So, yung iba galing pa, binitbit ko pa galing Dubai. And the rest, pinadala ko from Dubai. Yan. And meron din akong pull-out pantry. Yan. So, dito nakalagay lahat ng condiments ko, coffee, and everything. Now, this one actually is a side table, supposedly in the room. Kaso, parang medyo awkward na yung lugar niya doon. So, I just put it here outside para lagyan ng coffee machine. The coffee machine and this boiler is actually from this apartment na. So, sobrang swerte ko kasi, diba, I had to sell my Nespresso machine back in Dubai because I couldn't bring it here. I was happy to see na meron akong Nespresso machine. So, this one, I already bought it kasi they didn't have frother. So, I bought the barista frother. I'll have another video for that. Tapos, ito lang yung dining area. As in, dalawa lang. Good for 2 people lang. And I think they could have put like a different kind of dining table sana para to maximize the space. But then anyway, choosy pa ba tayo? So, ito yung balcony ko. And yan, kakatapos ko lang mag-laundry. So, actually here, and even sa ibang bansa naman, it's not really allowed to hang clothes on your balcony. Pero kasi, if you can see, yung other side ko naman is building. So, hindi siya open view. It's a blocked view. So, wala naman makakakita or makakahuli sa akin. So, I mean, hindi siya pangit sa mata. Then, in here, yan, ito na yung aking shoe rack or shoe boxes, should I say. So, all of these I got from Kmart. And di ko na nga alam kung saan ko pa ilalagay yung mga iba kong mabibili in the future. Charot. So, I guess I have to stop buying. And then, ito, I got it from Kmart as well. Ito sa Daiso. Then this one, this is the bamboo I got. And this is from IKEA. Yan, moving on. So, from here, diretso na to my living room. So, actually, sobrang liit na tong living room kasi this one, ito yung inassemble ko. I got this online. Lagay ko na lang yung link or kung saan ko siya binili. So, because I really wanted like a place for me to edit kasi yun na lang yung nagiging hobby ko. Ayan. And there's no place to put it except here. So, kaya sige na lang. Pinagsiksikan ko na lang. Sofa is dito na. Ayan. And also, the coffee table This is my walk pad. So, just in case umuulan sa labas and I cannot walk outside. So, at least, ma-reach ko pa din yung aking 10,000 steps. Ayan. And then this, itong rack na to, it's from here na. They have aircon with heater. This rack is already here in the apartment. So, wala naman akong ginagalaw dyan. They have random books and games. Ito lang yung inad ko dyan kasi wala na akong mapaglagyan. So, just the control, my Osmo gadgets, and ang mga essential oils ko that I brought from the Philippines pa. Ayan. I also got yung Dream na vacuum. Gusto ko sana ng Dyson kaso medyo mahal siya talaga. So, I just opted for a cheaper one. The only downside with this is medyo siya, mabilis yung battery life niya. It's just enough for one bedroom. So, if you have a bigger house, I would suggest just go for Dyson kasi matagal talaga yung lifespan ng Dyson as compared dito. Yan, and this is the TV that they already have here plus the lamp. This Dyson air purifier, hot and cold, I just got this as a budol from my friend Kate. It's really helpful ngayong winter. It really keeps me warm. So, ayun, hindi na kinaya ng powers ko yung winter. So, I had to buy this one. Ayan, so for this one, I just got a monitor, speakers, tapos yung keyboard ko din from Low-Free, and then yung wrist rest. Kinakabit ko lang yung laptop ko. And if you can see, nakaayos yung cord dito sa baba. And by the way, what I like about this chair is meron siyang napupull out na footrest. Sa room. And usually yung mga doors dito sa mga building or sa apartments, they don't have locks. Safety purposes. Ayan, so ito, ako lang ang bumili niyan kasi the one problem I had with this apartment was the storage. This one is from Kmart din. This one I got from Car. Hi, Car! I brought him here. I believe binili pa niya sa Jerusalem. Yeah. This is still from Dubai. Di ba? Pinadala ko pa siya dito. But I think I got it from Daiso. So, dyan ko nalang nilagay yung mga perfumes ko. Kasi wala na talaga akong malagyan. Yan. The weighing scale I got from Kmart din. I love Kmart kasi sobrang mura niya. If you just move here and you're looking for cheap appliances or cheap na mga gamit sa bahay, I suggest you go to Kmart. They really have a lot of choices. Plus, maganda rin yung quality niya in fairness. This is their closet, and as I have mentioned earlier, dun ako nagka-problem sa storage. When you open their closet, ito lang talaga siya. Like, hanger lang. This one, ako pa yung bumili niyan. Kasi they don't have yung mga, ano bang tawag dyan? Yung mga cabinets, mga pull-out cabinets, they don't have. Wala sila. So, wala akong paglagyan ng mga maliliit kong bagay and all. Hindi naman lahat naka-hanger, di ba?